If you're planning to start a business in Texas, don't file your LLC until you've watched this video. It could save you from common mistakes that many first-time business owners make.
Literally hundreds of new businesses are formed in the Lone Star State every single day. That means the state is dealing with an absolute mountain of paperwork. But today, we're going to unpack exactly how to get your business off the ground legally, officially, and with maximum efficiency.
Right off the bat, you might be wondering, can I really start a Texas LLC in under 10 minutes? Well, the answer is an absolute yes. Look, I know state paperwork usually feels like this massive, time-consuming mountain you have to climb. But today, we're going to sprint right over it. A totally legitimate, state-recognized business is literally just minutes away.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll start with the 10-minute Texas LLC, then break down the 5 essential steps, talk about life after LLC formation, and finally, look at the automated fast track. Let's dive right into this.
All right, Section 1, the 10-minute Texas LLC.
Think of it this way. As an entrepreneur, you're the hero of this story, and those endless state forms, they're basically the dragons standing in your way. But you can totally skip the red tape and legitimize your operations efficiently. You really don't need a law degree to pull this off. You just need a streamlined strategy. So let's figure out how to slay that paperwork dragon, shall we?
Moving right along to Section 2, the 5 essential steps.
Okay, so there are 5 super manageable hurdles we're going to clear together here. From naming your LLC to getting an operating agreement sorted out, this exact sequence is what's required to build a rock-solid legal foundation in Texas. Let's tackle step 1.
First up, we've got to name your LLC. Now, the state of Texas has some very specific naming rules you absolutely have to follow. Your business name must include a designer at the very end, things like LLC, LTD Co., or LC. It obviously needs to be original and distinctive, and there's no way it can cause any confusion with a government agency. So no, you can't name your tech startup the Texas Department of Software. Oh, and the best part? You can easily verify your chosen name with a quick, free online search to make sure it's available before you commit.
Step 2 is all about assigning a resident agent. Now, you might hear this called a registered agent in other states, but it's the exact same thing. This person is your business's official point of contact for lawsuits or government mail. The rules here? They must be an individual living right there in Texas or an authorized business entity. They also have to have a physical Texas street address, so unfortunately P.O. boxes are a no-go for this. And they've got to be on site to accept legal docs during normal business hours. Now, what's really interesting about this next part is the cost breakdown for step 3, which is filing your certificate of formation. Notice the contrast here. If you're forming a brand new local LLC in Texas, you're going to use Form 205. That comes with a mandatory $300 state fee. And honestly, most local business owners fall right into this category. But if you already have a foreign LLC, meaning, it was originally formed in another state, and you just want to register to do business inside Texas, you'll use Form 304. And that jumps up to a significantly higher $750 state fee. Either way, this certificate is the literal document that officially brings your business to life.
Moving right along to step 4, we have the EIN, which stands for Federal Tax Identification Number. Basically, think of it as a social security number, but specifically for your business. It just allows the IRS to identify you and track your tax status. This is absolutely crucial jargon to understand because you literally cannot open a business bank account, file your taxes, or hire a single employee without it.
And to wrap up the steps phase, step 5, the operating agreement. Actually, fun fact here, technically the state of Texas doesn't legally require you to have one, but if you have multiple owners, it is absolutely essential. It structures your financial relationships, outlines who owns what, sets the rules for people joining or leaving the company, and even lays out how to dissolve the business if you ever need to close it down. Essentially, it just tells everyone exactly what to expect from day one, so there are 0 surprises.
All right, Section 3, life after LLC formation.
So the crucial point here, and this is a really big one, is avoiding something called piercing the corporate veil. If you mix your personal and business funds together, you run the massive risk of losing your personal liability protection entirely. That means if someone sues your company, their lawyers can completely bypass the business and come straight for your personal assets. We're talking your savings, your home, your car. It honestly defeats the whole purpose of starting an LLC in the first place. But hey, don't panic. There are some immediate, super actionable solutions you can take right now to make sure you keep that corporate veil perfectly intact. First and foremost, the second your LLC is formed, go get a dedicated business checking account and a business credit card, and never, ever put personal expenses on them. Next, hire an accountant to keep your books completely separate and pristine. And lastly, you might really want to consider getting some business insurance tailored to your industry just to add that extra layer of bulletproof protection.
Which brings us to our final part. Section 4, the automated fast track.
The golden rule of being an entrepreneur is this: spend your time actually building your business, not filing endless compliance forms. The source material for this explainer highly recommends using an online platform, like InkFile, to just automate this entire setup process. I mean, there are so many little compliance details you could accidentally mess up if you try to file state and federal forms manually for the very first time. Using an automated service is just an incredibly easy, low-cost way to guarantee you get the whole shebang right from the start.
Let's break down how a service like this actually works by comparing their standard packages. The Silver package is technically $0 on the service side. You only pay that mandatory $300 Texas state fee, but it is missing quite a few key internal forms. On the flip side, the Platinum package adds all these bells and whistles, like contract templates, next-day filing, and even a domain name. But honestly, the sweet spot for about 99% of people is that Gold package right in the middle. It includes absolutely everything you need to confidently set up your LLC without overpaying.
And it's just $199. When you contrast the incredible value of having a service handle all that tedious data entry, giving you all the extra internal documents, and saving you hours of bureaucratic headache against that baseline $300 state fee you have to pay anyway, well, investing this extra $199 is highlighted by the source material as a highly efficient move to guarantee you're fully compliant.
To make good on that under 10 minutes promise we talked about at the very beginning, this automated walkthrough is incredibly fast. You just select Texas LLC, type in your contact and mailing address, add your company name along with that required designator we mentioned, set your ownership percentages, which, hey, is 100% if you're flying solo, and finally, drop in your AIN or SSN details so they can seamlessly process your documents for you. Actually, real quick, I need to pause for a pretty critical privacy warning here. During that speedy setup, you're going to be asked about your registered agent. Now, you can act as your own, but doing that puts your personal home address firmly out there on the public domain. And honestly, most of us do not want that. Platforms like this typically offer a full year of registered agent services completely for free when you sign up. Accepting that is a remarkably smart privacy move.
And just like that, you click complete, you pay, and boom, your paperwork is officially out of your hands. Your Texas LLC is ready. So, what are you going to build next? You've skipped the red tape, you've safeguarded your personal assets, and you've laid a rock-solid, legally compliant foundation for your future. All those administrative hurdles are completely behind you now. The only thing left to do is take all that time you just saved and go build something incredible. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.